This is correct operation steps of connecting power cable and USB cable. We have two cables. The first one is with power connector and triangle plug. Another cable with USB connector for printer and USB connector for computer. Plug the USB cable into a computer and a printer. Plug the power cable into printer firstly. And then plug triangle plug into socket secondly. Now the printer installation was done. If you have any other questions, please contact us with phone number, email, or Facebook website.